bare minimum a body fluid or a circulatory fluid and a pumping organ जो उसके फ्लो को मेंटेन करेगा. So bare minimum we will require a body fluid or a liquid or a pumping organ. These two are essentially important or essential components of circulatory system. Clear है बात? If body fluid is filled in an open cavity like a swimming pool, if something is filled like a swimming pool, एक open cavity है, उसमें fluid filled है और directly लोग उसके contact में आ जाते हैं, what is it called? Open circulatory system. That means if fluid is filled in a cavity, all cells are directly dipped in that body fluid. All cells are directly in contact with the body fluid. This is called open type of circulatory system. Whereas, how do you get water at your home? You go to the river and fill your basket and come back to the home. Or just you rotate a tap और पानी आपके पास आ जाता है. From that river only via pipes. You only get your particular part. Are you in contact with that river or the water source or the open water body? You are connected by certain definitive tubules or pipes. A person will get its own part, another will get their own part. आपस में ये मिक्स नहीं होंगे. Is it clear or not? इसी तरीके से आपका सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम भी होता है. If every cell gets its own part by certain tubes or pipes, that means if body fluid flows in closed tubule or in pipes, those tubes are called blood vessels. They are further of two types like vein and artery, but if body fluid is filled in an open cavity like swimming pool, everyone is like jumping, bathing in that fluid only, everyone is in contact with the body fluid, it is open type system. If cells are not in the direct contact with that body fluid, the body fluid flows in a closed tube, it is called closed circulatory system. Which is better, which is advanced? Closed type is advanced. ठीक है? So दो टाइप की बात करेंगे, closed circulatory system and open circulatory system. Body fluid is filled in a cavity. अब cavity के लिए जनरल टर्म हमने क्या यूज की थी? Cavity के लिए जनरल टर्म हमने क्या यूज की थी? सील या सीलोम यूज किया था हमने वर्ड. हमने डिफाइन किया था कि this is called coelom only if it is lined by mesoderm. But usually भी हमने बोला था कि अगर कहीं भी सील आएगा तो what will it represent? A cavity. So there is a cavity which is filled with body fluid. और body fluid के लिए जो word हम यहाँ use करते हैं, that is heme. What is it? Because we resemble every body fluid as our blood. हमारा blood एक body fluid है, तो जिसमें भी जो body fluid मिलता है, हम ये मानते हैं कि वो उसका blood है. So body fluid is resembled by blood or it is compared with the blood. So every body fluid will get a prefix. What is it? Heme. Heme अगर कहीं भी आ रहा है तो हम ये मानेंगे कि हम blood के बारे में या body fluid के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So there is a cavity that is filled with something related to heme or body fluid. That is why we can call this cavity hemocoel.